Find or read reviews that people are talking about. ANYGET wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, wireless HDMI extender kit, designed for laptops, PC, HDMI dongle adapter. Support 2.4/5 GHz for streaming video, audio from laptop, PC to HDTV, projector. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Full HD 1080p fidelity video. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports video resolution up to 1920 x 1080 at 60 and more resolutions, auto encode, transmission and decode, preserves video quality. Supporting full RGB color gamut without compression or artifacts. Direct HDMI signal connections make the most of high-quality video signals and deliver low latency, lag, and tear-free video. Plug and play. No need any app, simple connection can get the convenience of wireless streaming media. No software or Wi-Fi connection required. Get up and running in 10 seconds with a true plug-and-play experience, which solves the problems for the traditional HDMI cable connection and wiring trouble, aesthetics affecting and the short transmission distance. Connect the transmitter to the HDMI source, then connect the receiver to the HDTV, projector, connect the power, and you are ready to go. High compatibility. The wireless transmitter and receiver uses the HDMI transmission, which is compatible with most display devices. The device with HDMI interface can use the transmitter directly. Devices without HDMI interface can also use the transmitter via an HDMI converter. Low delay. The transmission distance of wireless HDMI is up to 98 feet or 30 meter, with only 129 millisecond delay and no need wire connection, powerful long-distance signal. Can penetrate the wall, floor, and ceiling transmission. Asterisk note, signal distance is reduced when working through walls. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver built-in 5 GHz transmission standard technology makes transmission efficiency faster and more stable. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.